Good day, dear children. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School welcomes you all for today's English 1 class. Today, we are having rapid reading. So, before starting the new lesson, tell me, children, whether have you visited zoo or a circus? Yes, very good. What all things you can see in the zoo? Yes, you can see animals. Yes, land animals, water animals. Yes, like monkey, tiger, lion. You can also see some reptiles which has a different department like snake, crocodile, etc. Yes, now let's talk about circus. Many of you must have seen circus. What all things you can see in the circus? Yes, some artists perform their tricks in the big tent. Oh, circus is always in a big tent. It's very high. They perform their tricks. Who? The artist perform the tricks. And many characters are involved in the circus. Animals are also performing the tricks in the circle. Many of you must have seen that they are playing with a ball, monkeys or some birds or sometimes an elephant, lion. They are showing their different types of tricks in the circus. There is one more character which is very important in the circus, which makes you laugh with the funny faces, funny actions, and at the same time he also plays some tricks like an artist. Can anyone guess who is he? Yes, he is always your favorite one, and he is a joker or a clown. You are right. So, today's poem is The Clown from Rapid Reader, page number 34. The Clown. I like to see the spotted clown. Here, the poet is telling that he likes a clown because his dress is normally spotted. He looks like a spotted clown. He throws dishes in the air. As I told you, he does tricks like an artist do, throwing the dishes in the air. And when they have started coming down, and when the dishes starts coming down, looks as though he didn't care. He shows on his face that he is not caring about that dish even though they are coming down. Let it be. He shows on the face like that. But catches each one perfectly. But what he does? Then even though he is showing that he is not caring about the dishes, he is catching them very perfectly like an artist. Over and over every time, not only once, every time when he is performing, he is doing the same thing, showing that he don't care after throwing the dishes, but he catches perfectly on a time. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. The poet is telling how many it may be, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. On any sequence, he catches the right way, like a pattern or a rhyme. That means he is always perfect in catching them, even though any sequence or any pattern it may be. He not only just do the tricks like an artist, but the main work he does is to make us laugh with doing all the different tricks. Yes or no? Yes, I know most of you like the clown and his tricks. So what is the speciality of a clown? He does all the tricks and makes us laugh. Yes? Okay. We will repeat the poem one more time. Everyone repeat after me. The Clown. I like to see the spotted clown. He throws dishes in the air. And when they have started coming down, looks as though he didn't care, but catches each one perfectly over and over every time. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, like a pattern or a rhyme. So everyone will recite and learn the poem. Okay. Now let's recite sight words from the poem. THROWS, throws. DISHES, dishes. THOUGH, though. CATCHES, catches. EACH, itch. PERFECTLY, perfectly. EVERYTIME, every time. PATTERN, pattern. RHYME, rhyme. I hope you all must have understood this poem and you will recite the poem and learn the sight words and write it. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.